Hello friends, welcome to another update video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about BabyDoge Coin. What's the next move of BabyDoge Coin and what's the future of BabyDoge? We'll go through everything in detail. Let's look at BabyDoge Coin's details right now. Its current price is around $0.000000000146. BabyDoge Coin is ranked 185th in the market. Its market cap is around $242 million. It reached an all-time high in 2021, and it also hit its all-time low in December 2021. Its circulating supply is around 80%. If we check expert opinions on BabyDoge Coin and go to the data section, in the 15-minute time frame, BabyDoge Coin is being bought in large amounts. There's good buying pressure happening right now. Not just BabyDoge, but the overall crypto market candles are also starting to turn blue. BabyDoge Coin started pumping from around $0.000000001324 and is now trading around $0.000000000146. Let's open its chart in the 3-day time frame to get a clearer picture. Earlier, BabyDoge Coin was rejected from a high point and came down sharply. So now the question is, should we take entry or not? If yes, then where should we enter, and where should we book profit? These are very important to understand. If we open the 1-hour time frame, it's not very clear. But in the 4-hour time frame, we can see it was slightly rejected from the top and came down. In the 1-day time frame, you'll see that BabyDoge Coin first started pumping from around $0.000000000965, but then it came down again. Now in the 3-day time frame, it becomes clear that BabyDoge Coin was rejected during the bull run from $0.000000006700. It then dipped to around $0.00000000009990 and moved up again. BabyDoge Coin jumped to $0.00000000022220, and many people booked profit around that level. I had also marked some profit-taking zones, but I recommended a holding time of about 5 months for BabyDoge Coin. It's been around 1.5 to 2 months now. From here, you can hold BabyDoge for around 90 more days to potentially earn a good profit. BabyDoge Coin came down in a big dip and then started pumping. As soon as the price started moving up, many people booked profits from the dip. I also booked some profits. I marked profit-taking zones around $0.000000000150, $0.000000000200, $0.000000000250, $0.000000003300, and $0.00000000003900. I also said that one entry near $0.000000005000 should be booked for profit, and one entry should be left in the market. If BabyDoge Coin goes higher in this bull run, that's great. But if it corrects and comes back down, you won't have any tension or problem. If this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.